Hi, my name is Denis Gutsu, owner of First Response Phone Repair, located in Rancho Cordova and North Highlands, California.
Hello everybody, my name is Sergi. I'm from the Rancho Cordova location. I'm the manager there.
We repair cell phones, electronics, iPads, tablets, game consoles, and computers. Before RepairDesk, honestly, it was very brutal. It was a big old chaos and a lot of things were just out of place. We even came to a point where we started to not know where the customer devices were at. We also were using Microsoft Word at one point, and we had to have our receipts handwritten where the customer's name would go on. We'd have to change the receipt name. We'd have to input just what the repair was. We also had to go to an extent of putting the price, calculating the tax, and it was just very difficult and very time consuming. Going with RepairDesk was pretty simple, looking through the reviews, going through different competitors, and eventually we were able to just go through this and be able to see that the simplicity that RepairDesk was to offer us was by far the best choice. Not only were they almost 5 stars, but they had great customer service, and even the founder himself, Usman, during that time when we went with it, had communication with me until the very end to make sure that I knew exactly what was going on in RepairDesk.
With tickets, we're able to notate and send SMSs to customers. For the notating part, we're able to notate it like a pre-repair checklist, basically to see what was working beforehand, what's working after, and just basically checking up with the customer. Even after, if they come back with any issues, we're able to see if they had that issue previous to repairs or if that was something that was maybe caused by error during the repair.
They have the SMS where you can instantly have it sent out to a customer so that they would know what's going on with their device.
As far as for SMSs, it's very convenient. You don't really have to grab the phone and send text messages or call the customer. You can go ahead and send an SMS straight from the POS system to the customer to let them know either to give you a call, the phone's ready.
Ticketing and how easy it is and how organized it is, that you're able to change the ticket status if it's waiting on a customer, if it's pending, if it's repaired and collected, and afterwards, once the customer comes in here, they're able to use the customer signature widget by signing off that the repair and the item that they have taken with them.
One thing that I truly like about RepairDesk is its campaigning feature. What it does is it basically sends out a notification to a customer after they've had a repair to leave a review on your Google site, on your Yelp site, and it pushes them in a way to give you a review of their experience. All criticism is good for a business. It helps you build from all sorts of experiences.
Low stock report is one of those that has helped our business tremendously by being able to see what part is needed to be ordered, and not by going out there physically, but also putting into the system that if you want the on-hand to go drop below 20, below 10, below 5, it can give you a report letting you know that this is a part that needs to be ordered and we have the part in stock. RepairDesk now has a payment system that they have integrated. Today, we have fully integrated and we have 3 machines in this store alone. In Rancho Cordova, we have 2, but the simplicity and how easy it is. And the feature that it allows to is that when a customer is satisfied, they're happy with it, they always have an option that they're able to leave a tip for our employees.
After years of using RepairDesk, I can definitely say that it takes a weight off my shoulders, it takes a weight off of employees' shoulders. It definitely helps the store all around, maintaining, building, growing, whatever you're looking for in your business. It's definitely a huge help.
I can't express of how satisfied I am as a business owner with RepairDesk. You will not believe of how many hours per week RepairDesk has personally saved us. I cannot express the gratitude and how thankful we are here.
I would definitely recommend RepairDesk to any shop owner, shop manager, even for employees. It's such a big difference from, of course, writing things on a notepad.
So if you are ever thinking of joining RepairDesk, here's a personal testimony from me to you.